टेस्ट लगाइए हेलमेट So guys, we have finally camped over here. So guys, we have finally reached our destination, that is Thejwas Glacier, and we'll be camping here. And this was the ultimate goal of us, and now we are here. So amazing to see the glaciers outside there and the waterfalls mostly. And these are the three companions of mine. So we'll be camping here till 2 days, and thereafter we'll be moving to our home, and that's all. So that's all. Good. Hi guys, this is me Faikaz, and as I said that we have finally reached our destination, that is Sunmarg, and that's upside there. It is Thejwas Glacier, and right now we have placed camp here because here is a safe water and safe for drinking water. So we finally installed our camp, and now we'll begin to ready our food, our evening lunch I can say, and thereafter we'll be having some rest because we are so tired. We have climbed over there, and it was so hard because as you can see that it's mountain. It's not like normal running or normal walking. This is Sahil, and that's Farzan, and that's Faizan. So let me show you how we start our camp. So that's the first and the second camp for us. And here I do sleep. Here it is of us, Faizan and mine, and that is Sahil's and Farzan's. So let me show you now. This is our setup from here, and this is Sahil and Farzan. This is our food material. So look at the view here. This is a river, and this is completely a different. This is completely a different vibe here because it's so cold here. When I go home, there might be 33 degrees of temperature, but here it is minus, and it really gives a beautiful vibe here to be here in such a beautiful weather. So outside there are also tourists, but it's very I have seen so minimum of the students, so minimum of the tourists have come here because it's a long way from the main Sunmarg town, and this is the river, and what I can say is an area. So see how we have climbed. We have crossed those 1 and 2 mountains, perhaps 3, and it was so hard for us because not so hard because when we have excitement on something to go, it doesn't become very hard to go there. So also I'm going to mention about these mountains, about Thejwas Glacier. What I loved about it gave me a memory of the Game of Thrones. The mountains in Game of Thrones are like this. They are same like this. So it has given me the same vibe of the Game of Thrones, like Castle Rock, and that's what I love about Thejwas Glacier. Because I'm a movie lover. I mean, I do watch web series like Game of Thrones. So there I have been using these kind of mountains, rock mountains, and it has really given me that kind of memory, and I love it.
Smell will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I'd probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, because we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from the creek we used to roam. It would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take the ladder.
Are you going to be vamos, un suyo.
अगर उन्हें कोला आया
हाँ? ओ 20 रुपए इधर दे दे, इसको दे दे 20 रुपए। हुआ ना 20 रुपए, जो 100 पकड़ा, 100 किसके पास है? इसको दे दो, ये देगा।
इसको आपने दिया।
हाँ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 सारे दी 10 रुपये।
मैं जाऊंगा दुकान पे चेन
हाँ
लाऊंगा।
हाँ सबको 10 देना। So just now we made some Maggi. अभी हमने मैगी बनाई, you can see,
मैगी को मगर
and that's the view there. मैगी साथ में और ये वाला view, the best moment of the life.
बेस्ट मोमेंट आ देना है।
This is Katsur, known by Wanta. Guys, I got a plan. I will reach that cliff over there. Sorry, no. That there. I'll be reaching there in just 1.5 hours, perhaps. Let's begin the journey. This is me, and let's go get down there. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tell you where I was initially. So that's where the clouds have been shattered and they have covered the whole mountain. There I was, that upside on the top of the mountain, and it took me 2 hours to reach there. It may look easy to climb over this through video, but in actually when you will be physically here, it will just blow your mind, trust me. So that's the main way of Thajwas, and that mountain connects the Thajwas glacier from that way. So here we see there's a river flowing down there, and that's my friend. That's where we have camped, and this is what we have burnt because of the food which we even couldn't made properly. What we say is bata actually. So this is a river. See that my friend, he is washing glasses so we can take some coffee. And see them, they are lazy. Yeah, I just climbed over that mountain and you are telling me to Achandar? क्या मेरे को वाला ये वुशो तत्पर आओ वीडियो आया तो कुछ आयो पक्का है कौन तत्पर आओ
ताऊ घर भाई मैं
तो मैं तो कर जुग ट्रैक में बस ना so see where we are. It felt me like Tragnut. क्या आँख मेरा?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई।
वालेकुम सलाम।
आप आवाज दी, आप बोल रहे थे, सुना नहीं
हमें लगा आप गोडों को दे रहे।
बोला था ना रोटी के लिए।
हाँ शुक्रिया भाई, बहुत अच्छी रोटी है।
जो भी जरूरत होगा आना था आपने भाई।
नहीं बस भाई,
शुक्रिया ब्रदर।
हमारे यहाँ ऐसे रोटी नहीं मिलती है इसीलिए।
कोई बात नहीं है, मुझे नहीं पता था, उसने मेरी बीवी उसने बोला कि रोटी के लिए बोल।
कुत्ते ने हमें रात भर डरा दिया।
नहीं कुत्ते खुले होते ना,
उसी के लिए, वो सेफ्टी के लिए होते हैं ना खुले।
हाँ वो शेर के लिए, इधर अगर शेर आएगा ना उसके लिए।
उसने घंटी बांध के रखी थी ना, तो उनसे डर गए थे हम।
नहीं डरना नहीं चाहिए।
हमें लगा हमें रात भर कौन घंटी से जगा रहा है।
नहीं घंटी नहीं है, कुत्ते होते हैं इसलिए।
चलो शुक्रिया भाई।
कैसे गुजारी?
ओ बढ़िया बहुत ठंड से मर गए
कसम से।
नहीं
बोला था ना हमें कम्बल थे सब कुछ, बोलना था।
नहीं कमल अमल थी, फिर भी थोड़ा सा
बोलना चाहिए ना, एक दूसरे को बोलना चाहिए, अगर किसी चीज जरूरत है बोलना चाहिए।
नहीं आपने बहुत मदद की हमारी, शुक्रिया भाई।
और कुछ सर मत जरूरत है।
नहीं भाई शुक्रिया।
कोई बात जरूरत है आना है।
ओके भाई शुक्रिया। Guys, good morning. It is a third morning of our camping of our trip. So we just woke up at 6 in the morning. So after that we took some breakfast and took some tea as well. So there are my companions. They are shooting there some shots there, and I'm here taking a good sunlight. It makes me feel good because since yesterday it was so raining. It was raining cats and dogs, and now it is the weather is completely perfect because it is perfect because now we have to go. We have to leave this place. That's why this is unfortunately um, the bad luck yesterday. The weather was bad. So, but right now we are very good. There is nothing to say anymore about this beauty as I have already discussed it a lot about this place, its beauty, and what I forgot to mention about the particular thing is about these Gujar Bagarwalas. They are so kind. Their nature is so perfect. You know, when we are there at the night, they came to us and they said us to that, do we need any kind of help? I mean, who does that in this modern world? So as I was saying about their nature, their nature is so perfect that, you know, when yesterday we were in our campus, they came to us in night and said that, do we need anything? I mean, they helped us. They gave some chapatis to us as well. They're so kind. I mean, they told us a lot of, I mean, hundreds of times that, do we need any kind of help? Do we need something? Is everything perfect? Do you need any extra blanket or something? And you know, it's like they were so related to us. I mean, like, you know, they were like family. You know, family does to their children, the parents does to their children. You know, that treatment that we got received from them. I mean, they are so kind. Whatever we had needed from them, we hadn't any need kind of need any from them, but they tried to give us everything they had. So let me take some shots. My friend told me to take some shots of me. So let's take some shots from an iPhone, because iPhone is iPhone no matter what it is. So this is a book, The Gifted Wisdom, one of my favorite books, written by Dr. Idris Budrani and Bisma Bashir. In this book there are a lot of beautiful thoughts about life and how to develop your own life. So here I will read a beautiful quote that, you know, makes about where I am right now, and it goes like, live with your enthusiasm, create the magic, be the magician of your life. Remember, world is beautiful because of your invisible magic. Use your magic and destroy the sorrow around you. You know what? There is another quote that goes like this. You have to tell it to your soul, because the soul is your ultimate companion. Everyone leaves, everyone will go away, but the soul will always remain yours. It is not only about your soul. There is a soul and you. Soul is your companion and you are the person that is his friend. So always tell your soul when you have to go away. And that quote that is mentioned here, I would like to read it because it is same as that. It goes like, hold my hand and take me to the world of happiness. I may shiver of fear, but deep down I know you will never leave my hand. There is always you and you in your life, in your whole journey of your life.
इधर आ जाओ।